today,
Yeah,
that's right,
yeah. I'm Mr. Clutch.
I'm Sir Panda.
And we about to get it. Let's get it.
Yeah.
We're making fun of you guys. Welcome back to Mad DIY. It's your boy Dave and my beautiful wife Michelle. That's what makes up the Mad DIY, Michelle and Dave. And today we're announcing the giveaways for the Retro Pie. Now the regular folks over here at the Mad DIY community, you're probably like, Retro Pie giveaway? When did that happen? Especially with all the stuff that's going on with Nintendo suing MU Paradise, and all the ROM repositories are pulling out. Wah, wah, wah. Why are you doing that to us, Nintendo? Why are you messing up the Retro Pie community? The retro gamers, leave us alone. But anyway, we did a giveaway for a Retro Pie on SSWI Game Nation. We wanted to do the announcement here and let you guys know who the winners are. Now for the other folks that are tuned in for the other giveaway where we're giving away the 3 prizes, there's still time to enter. Go to the video before this. We'll put a link in the description. We'll also link to the video at the end of this one. There's still time to enter that one. It ends Wednesday coming up, and we will do that announcement on Wednesday.
Not Mad DUI guy. It's Mad DIY guy.
Yeah, Mr. Clutch. Mad DUI. What's on your mind there?
What does that even mean?
Yeah.
Like, stay drink a lot and drive? No.
No, we don't do that. But at any rate, we got the folks that entered, and that's right. It was, I got 5.
I got 5.
She got only 10 people.
I got 5 on it.
Yeah, only 10 people entered. That's right. And we're going to go ahead and read off the names for the 10 people that entered the Retro Pie giveaway. You can go ahead and start us off, Shelly.
I got Ash A.
I got Prophecy 4EB.
I got Gaming High as a Kite.
I got Tiny Iney.
I got Greg Murray.
Jordan Johnson.
I got OG Rick.
Oh, organic. Yeah. I got That Guy 101.
I got Young Tatted.
And I got Ghost SSWI. So there we go. It's going to be one out of 10 is going to win the Retro Pie. We had 2 weeks and 10 people, so I know you guys are feeling really good about this. Yeah, they're feeling really good.
But you guys got a really good chance.
1 out of 10.
Yeah. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and fold these up and put them in the cookie jar. Oops, I dropped organic. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold them up, put them in the cookie jar, and I'm going to shake them up, and Dave is going to pick the winner.
So we're going to fold it twice, like that. Boom, boom.
Winner,
Get
winner,
it in there.
chicken dinner.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner. So here we go. Don't forget, you still got to Wednesday for the other giveaway. This Wednesday, we're giving away 3 prizes. The first prize is going to win a $30 gift card. Second prize is going to win a $10 gift card with a t-shirt of your choice off of SoSickWithIt.com. Third place is going to win any 3D print from Mad DIY's channel. You let me know what you want. We'll get it out in the mail to you. So this Wednesday, we will be giving those announcements. So let's do the cutoff around, what do you think, maybe 2? 2 o'clock Eastern time Wednesday is the deadline, and we will put out that announcement by, let's say, 8 o'clock Eastern. Boom.
All right, who's the winner? Who's the winner?
Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Let's shake it up really good. Shake, 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 shake it, shake, shake,
Okay.
shake. All right.
Okay.
All right. I think you should pick.
Me?
Yeah, I think you should pick. Go
No, I
ahead.
don't want people hating on me.
Huh? No, yeah. All right, go ahead. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Okay.
And then just reach in and grab one. Oh, right there, right there. You got it? All right, wait, we're gonna set this over to the side now. And drum roll. The winner is
Ash A.
Congratulations, Ash A. You're the winner of the Retro Pie giveaway from Mad DIY, teaming up with SSWI Game Nation. Yes, congratulations.
Oh my gosh, this is such a cool prize.
Congratulations.
Had to work so hard, I didn't take a vacation.
Post below. Boom. Thanks so much for tuning in. It's your boy Dave.
And your girl Michelle.
Signing out till next time.